Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Shiba Inu Army. This film is a must-watch for anyone holding 100,000 Shib tokens. Shib updates. Launched in August 2020, Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that draws inspiration from memes. Running on the Ethereum network, it is a token that is driven by the community rather than a central authority. A price spike caused by Elon Musk's tweet about the coin catapulted its popularity to new heights. Because of Shiba Inu's very low value, even modest investments could result in large gains if the coin's value were to increase. As of the most recent report, the number of token holders has likewise surpassed 1.28 million, indicating an increasing trend. A rising interest in the meme-inspired coin is evident from the increasing number of Shib holders. What follows is a video in which the Shiba Inu army is discussed. This video is a must-watch for anyone holding 100,000 Shib tokens. Shib updates. For more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe, share and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that takes its inspiration from memes, has been making waves in the cryptocurrency market and drawing in investors. According to the most recent data, there are now 1.28 million Shib holders, a sign of the coin's increasing popularity. The rising demand for Shib among cryptocurrency investors is driving up its price. The coin's low value makes it an attractive investment option for anyone looking to make a big profit when its value increases. In the last 4 days, the number of Shib holders has been steadily rising, according to recent figures. With 1,282,000 holders as of April 4, the number of holders hit a record low. However, the figure has risen to 1,285,000 as of this writing. The number of Shib holders has reportedly been at 1.28 million for some time now. In the early hours of today's trade, the Shiba Inu market cap surged to $6.96 billion, according to statistics from BN Crypto, before retracing to its current $6.81 billion. Concurrently, Shib's market cap growth occurred at the same time as the meme coin outperformed the market as a whole in the past day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and XRP were among the top assets that lost some value in the last 24 hours. Contributing to a 0.3% fall in the total market cap for cryptocurrencies. The recent successes of the Shiba Inu community are responsible for their good performance. Its Layer 2 network, Shibarium, debuted in March as PuppyNet, a beta version. There was a surge from 4.05 million wallets connected to PuppyNet this weekend to 6 million, according to the data that is available. And as of this writing, the total number of transactions processed by the network has also topped 3.2 million. The increasing SHIB burn rate is a positive development for the token because to the high activity rate on Shibarium. Shibburn reports that in the past week, around 1.9 billion Shib tokens have been destroyed. Burning tokens removes them from circulation, similar to stock buybacks, which might increase the value of the token. Therefore, Shibburn is contributing to the increase in the price of cryptocurrencies. According to Into the Block, the number of Shiba Inu dogs owned by long-term owners has surpassed 835,780. The numbers show that these addresses currently comprise 67% of all meme currency holders. It appears that more and more investors are starting to view digital assets as worthwhile investments with potential for long-term gains. People have been flocking to buy Doge and Shib coins ever since Twitter updated its logo. This has created quite a commotion in the cryptocurrency market. Following Doge's meteoric rise in value, Shiba Inu also saw a significant surge with a price increase of 30% in just 1 hour. The tight correlation between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu price movements is illustrated by this new development. The two currencies have a same background and are both well liked in the meme token community. Also, because they're both heavily involved in the same online community, shifts in the value of one coin can have a major effect on the other. As a result of the Doge effect, the value of Shiba Inu has skyrocketed, showing how the community and social media influence the price for cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu quickly became a top meme coin for a number of reasons. Several people were able to leave their jobs after reaping huge profits from the asset's price changes in 2021, even though the asset is currently trading at a loss. Many in the ecosystem continue to be captivated by the story of a truck driver who earned $1.7 million in 2021 through Shiba Inus. A truck driver quit his job in May 2021 after becoming wealthy with meme coin. The driver becomes a billionaire after investing $670 in 2020. He achieved his financial goals in 2021 after leaving his job and amassing enormous riches in 2020. The driver opted to stay nameless, but his boss came forward to offer his congratulations. Security concerns prompted the driver to take this action. However, the employer took to Twitter to announce that one of its drivers had resigned due to his $1.7 million in cryptocurrency gains, and a $670 investment. Great gentleman, a family man. It makes no difference, it will continue to enrage the $500,000 year bankers and lawyers. Shiba Inu reached a peak of $0.00034688 in May 2021. In October of 2021, the meme coin quickly hit a new peak of $0.008845. Nevertheless, this idea was short-lived. Market sentiment is presently positive, which is responsible for the most recent gain. However, the cost of a Shiba Inu has remained unchanged for a long period. Right now the meme coin is trading at a price that is 87.25% lower than its all-time high. The item may have generated huge profits for its owners in the past, but it no longer has the same value. About 62% of meme coin holders lost money, according to Into the Block. At the present price of Shiba Inus, only a tender 33% were making a profit. Market optimism is renewed by prior success tales notwithstanding SHIB's present price slump. There are a lot of exciting new initiatives popping up in the cryptocurrency sector. The global ranking is visible to many blockchain projects. Shiba Inu is one such example. It just surpassed Binance's stablecoin BUSD. With a market valuation just $1 million greater than BUSD, the SHIB's coin moves up one spot to 13th position. The 24-hour trading volume of the meme currency is above $322 million, indicating that its price is continuing to grow thanks to the uptrend. In the past week, the price of SHIB's increased by 4.93%, and in the past 30 days it has increased by 6.36%. With a market cap of $6.7 billion, CoinMarketCap is currently number 13 on the list, surpassing Binance USD to claim the top spot, while Binance is closing in on $6.6 billion. Technical indications for digital assets suggest the asset might be about to go on an encouraging rising surge. The asset is currently trading at a price that is higher than its 50-day moving average, which is $0.00011002. The 200-day MA indicator price, which is $0.00001064, further supports this upward trend. The coin experienced its most recent significant decline after the FTX scandal, which caused a widespread decline in the cryptocurrency market. According to other technical indicators, the Shiba Inu ecosystem might be ripe for investment right now. The Dogecoin currency is presently in the underbought sector according to its relative strength index, which has an indicator score of 52.61. Buyers of SHIB can ride the market's upswing to profit. Also, the